Hello, children! Today we will draw and learn English. Draw with me. This is a sun. What is this? This is a sun. What is this? This is a sun. Let's color. What color is it? It is yellow. Sun is yellow. This is a sun. What color is it? It is yellow. Draw with me. Cloud. Draw the cloud. Cloud. What is this? This is a cloud. Let's color. What color is it? It is blue. What is this? This is a cloud. What color is it? It is blue. Sun and cloud. Well done! Sun and cloud. See you next time. Bye-bye.